Wait, did you see that? That paperclip just moved all by itself across the table. Nothing is touching it, so how could it just move? It might look like magic, but it is actually something called magnetism. Magnets can pull certain objects toward them without even touching them. See how these paper clips and keys snap right onto it? That is because they are metal. See, let us try something different. What happens if I use this plastic spoon instead? Nothing happened. So, magnets do not work on everything. Wood and paper do not move either because they are not the right kind of material. But what actually makes a magnet do that? Let us look a little closer. Magnetism is an invisible force that can pull certain metals or push other magnets without touching them. When those tiny parts line up, they create an invisible force around the magnet called a magnetic field. Inside a magnet are tiny parts that act like mini magnets, and they are all lined up in the same direction. That magnetic field can reach out and pull things even when the magnet is not touching them. When the magnet gets close to metal, it makes the tiny parts inside the metal line up too. And when those tiny parts line up, the metal gets pulled right toward the magnet. Magnets can also pull or push each other depending on how they are facing. Sometimes magnets push away from each other instead of coming together. All right, scientists, let's see what you learned with a quick pop quiz. What do magnets pull? Is it A, water, B, metal, or C, air? Think carefully. The answer is B, metal. Magnets pull certain metals using an invisible force. Great job, scientists! Sometimes you can find magnets at home, like on your fridge, holding up notes and pictures. Inside a speaker, magnets push and pull really fast, making a part vibrate, and that's what creates sound. Magnets are even used in doors to help them close and stay shut. Stay curious, you guys, and I'll see you next time in Nova's Lab. Thanks for visiting Nova's Lab. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome science content.